Welcome to Acharya Easy Tech Math Classroom. Hello friends, in this class we discuss about thermodynamics. Thermo means heat, dynamics means movement. That is, heat is converted into useful mechanical work. Anyway, we discuss about thermodynamics in detail. We need power to operate any machine. This mechanical power is produced by transferring heat from a source to a working fluid through thermodynamic cycle. Its application is steam power plant, gas turbine, IC engines, or main source of power producing devices, in which today we discuss the cycle which is used for IC engines, even though the IC engines is actually operated at open cycle. For simplification, it is assumed as closed cycle. In closed cycle, the working fluid returns to the original state after performing required work. Whereas open cycle, the working fluid undergoes the series of flow process and compression. This makes the working fluid cannot be reused for next cycle. In IC engine, the working fluid air is replaced by fresh air every cycle. Thus, the cycle are referred as air standard cycle. The various air standard cycles are: 1. Carnot cycle, ideal cycle, constant temperature cycle. 2. Otto cycle, called as constant volume cycle. It can be used for petrol and gas engines. Diesel cycle, it can be used for diesel engines. Dual cycle, it is called as limited cycle or limited pressure cycle. Joule cycle, it's called as Brayton cycle, dual combustion cycle, Rankine cycle, etc. Now we will discuss about diesel cycle. It is introduced by Rudolf Diesel in 1893. This diesel cycle is used in diesel engines, successfully running all diesel engines. In this working fluid, air is being circulated again and again. Heat is supplied from source and rejected to the sink. It consists of two adiabatic process, one constant volume, one constant pressure process. Let me discuss about PV and TS diagram for ideal diesel cycle. By below figure, vertical axis, that is y axis, pressure is taken. Horizontal axis, that is x axis, volume is taken. From 1 to 2 process, isentropic or adiabatic compression. The piston from bottom dead center compressed up to TDC, that means top dead center. Compression ratio RV is equal to V1 by V2. Here entropy S1 is equal to S2. The 2 to 3 process, heat is supplied at a constant pressure process, that is P1 is equal to P2. It start at point 2 and cut off at point 3. At 3 to 4 process, isentropic or adiabatic expansion, and 4 to 1 process, constant volume heat rejection. Here volume is constant, that is V4 is equal to V1. Let me see TS diagram of diesel cycle. In vertical axis temperature is taken, in horizontal axis entropy is taken, that is S. Here entropy S1 is equal to S2, as S3 is equal to S4. Vc, that means clearance volume, Vs swept volume. As actual diesel engine, the fuel injection and burning process start when the piston approaches at TDC and continues during the first part of the power stroke. During injection and burning of fuel, the volume of mixture changes itself and pressure remains constant. The heat addition in ideal diesel cycle from an external source is not taken as constant volume, and it is approximated as a constant pressure heat addition process. From the above discussion, it is clear that the diesel cycle consists of 4 reversible processes. The process description as follows: 1 to 2, air is compressed isentropically, that is entropy S1 is equal to S2 with the compression ratio RV is equal to V1 by V2. 2 to 3 process heat addition, that is QS, heat supplied, is at constant pressure, that is P1 is equal to P2. It start at point 2 and cut off at point 3. 3 to 4 process, air is expanded isentropically, that is S3 is equal to S4 till piston reaches the BDC. 4 to 1 process, heat is rejection of at constant volume, that is V4 is equal to V1. For this, cutoff ratio RC is equal to V3 by V2. Compression ratio RV, that is equal to cylinder volume by clearance volume, that equal to V1 by V2. In this video, the animated diesel cycle, how it works. You see, the piston moves BDC to DDC. Thank you for watching Acharya Easy Tech Mac Classroom. Friends, you like this video, then share it, subscribe the channel and press the bell button. Then only you receive further notification. I thank you to all once again. Behalf of Acharya EC Tech Max Classroom.